Let's now create something interesting. And here I am on a website which gives us the API for all the countries in the world and the information about each and every country. So to create that, I will firstly go and start a new Flutter project. So it's very easy, just give a name. So I will give it country house and click on next and click on finish. So it will create this Flutter application for us, initial Flutter application. And here I have created a repository on Bitfume's GitHub website. And here you can simply go to github.com/bitfume/flutter country house, flutter-country-house. And then we will initialize this, and whatever we will do in this project, you can have all the source code. So our project is actually here, and let's just maximize it. And first thing I will do, I will delete everything from here, and let's start with creating a simple void main function. And this main function will include run app, and yeah, we have imported Cupertino dart. Instead I will import material dart. It doesn't matter actually. So here I will say new material app, and here inside home I will say give me all countries, and this is the class I need to create. So let's create a class. So here at the bottom I will say stateless class and all countries. So this is nice. And create a scaffold. So what is a scaffold? So a scaffold is a widget which gives us the normal view or basic view of every application we will have. So it's like a header, they call it AppBar. So AppBar will be simple, say all countries here, and yeah, we have some problem. It says actually this doesn't belong to a text. So everything in Flutter is a widget. So AppBar include title, and title has to be a text. So I will give text here, and this is very nice. And let's start our application with the emulator we have. So it says we have some problem. Okay, so there's a problem on a testing file, so I'm not going to test anything, so just comment it out. Okay, so back to our main file, main.dart. We have created the main function, run app, creating all countries class, just giving the build function which is having scaffolding. So we have this emulator which is here, and let's click on this green button to start our application on our emulator. So while this is building our application, let's commit our application on GitHub. So I will say git first commit. So open terminal, and here first thing git init and git first commit, and then I need to firstly git add all, and then first commit, and then push it to this repository. And you can see actually our application is built properly, and we have this AppBar. So AppBar is looking blue colored, so you can change the color. So I will say background color, and everything has to be in a class of color. So color dot, let's say pink, and how about this? Cool. So it is now having a color of pink. So you can see initially we have this class, and this main class is calling this all countries. So why not create a directory, and inside that directory I'm going to create another file. So country, so the directory is screen, and inside a screen I'm going to say actually screens, and creating a screen called all countries.dart file. And yes, I want to add every file I create to Git, and that means if I refresh here, we can see we have this application. That's cool. So let's cut that class from here and paste it inside this class. So this means we need to import the material.dart file to have all these things, and also import this class inside main. So our main.dart file just have a main function which is giving this home as all countries. So whenever app start, it will have this all countries. So I will close the main.dart and let's work on all countries. So still we have the same, but what if I want to create another file and I call it country.dart. So it will be like a single country, and create a stateless widget, and I will call it country, and importing the material.dart. And this time once more, let's copy this scaffold from here and paste it here, and I will say, let's say the country name is India. So if I can see, but how I can see actually, how I can go from one page to another page, this is a very interesting thing. So here every scaffold has a AppBar, also has a body. So what is body actually? So you can see this AppBar is like pink colored, but everything you can see which is white is the body of scaffold. So inside body I can give a container. So if you are familiar with web designings like bootstrap kind of things, container is basically a container which hold other things. So this container has some child, and the child is a simple text. So text says hello, and if I save that, I need to reload this application because this is a stateless, and whatever we change here, it will not reflect. So because we have not made changes in our main.dart file, and that's why we need to make hot reload to see this hello. And that's very cool. We have this hello here. So in the next episode, we are going to see how we can move from all countries screen to single country screen. So this is the next task we need to do in the next episode. So keep watching, and we will meet in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.